Hi, welcome to the garden. Today is a glorious day. I came out here to harvest peppers and sweet potatoes and a few other things, and it started raining. Here in the Ozark Mountains, we are in a severe drought, and it's categorized as severe drought. So we have not seen rain in weeks. Everything is dry and cracking, but today it rained, and tomorrow, hopefully it rains again. So it is absolutely an incredible blessing, and we have been through a couple droughts in the last few years, but this time of year, everything is starting to turn brown and crispy because it is dry, but it is also hot. So a little bit of rain, it has just been absolutely wonderful. But today, I'm going to be harvesting. I'll walk you around and I'll show you a few things that we're going to harvest today. It is always such a joy to dig sweet potatoes. I'll probably enlist the help of the kids because they like it as well. Over here we have some more sweet potatoes. You can see here that our cauliflower plants are doing very nicely. We have peppers. That's the main thing we're going to be harvesting today. All of these peppers, these plants are heavy with peppers. So we're going to be picking those. We have just a few tomatoes still hanging on there, here and there. We have just a variety of stuff. Nothing in abundance, but just some fun things. My zucchini plants, both of them are doing well. Producing wise, it's not great, but it's not terrible. And then as you can see up here, we have okra to harvest. And we also have, again, a pepper plant falling over because I didn't tie it up. And it has a ton of bell peppers on there. This is the third time I've planted this garden bed right here. I planted it a couple days ago. The first time the drought got it. The second time the chicken got it. Hopefully, now it will grow. It is very late in the season, but I still have hope that it will continue to produce. Like I said, we are in a severe drought, so September has been brutal between no rain, the bugs, and my chickens getting out because I didn't clip their wings in time. So they ate a lot of stuff. You can see a lot of straw that I have tucked around the garden. I did go ahead and mulch with straw for the fall to try to help with the moisture. And has it helped with the moisture? Absolutely. I do like it. It helps me start plants and I can tuck plants in around the straw, but the only problem is that I've noticed is the roly-polies have been extra bad, but I have kind of been struggling with them all year. So it could be the straw in the compost adding to the roly-poly problem, or it could just be the straw in the dry conditions. So has it worked for moisture retention? Yes. Has it increased my roly-poly issue? Yes. So it kind of just depends on, I'm not sure if I would do it again next year or not, but considering that we had a drought this year and it has helped with the moisture control, I probably will do it again and just try to combat the roly-polies a different way. What you got? Thank you. Is it good? Is it good?
Yeah, there's lots more in there.
You guys did a good job.
I didn't help at all.
These are cucamelons, not green tomatoes. I know they're growing on a tomato plant, but they are cucamelons. I just like to grow them around my tomato plants because it kind of acts like a trellis. They have really dainty little vines. These are our Notapéno peppers. So they taste like a jalapeno, but not spicy. My poor pepper plant here. I didn't prune it or even stake it up like I should have, so it's all flopped over and facing down, and Oh, the whole 9 yards. But look at that. Look at that big, beautiful. Peppers have loved the hot weather, and I have kept them very well watered. And so hopefully they have kept that. They're really a thick-walled pepper. So I'm excited. Look at the size of that pepper. I'm so excited. I mean, we have some small ones, of course, all different sizes, but it's so fun. Ugh. Oh. Ooh, I need some sunglasses. My favorite way to preserve peppers of any kind, the Notapenos, the snacking peppers, or green peppers, red peppers, is to smoke them and then dry them, grind them up, and then sprinkle them in food throughout the winter season. It just gives the food a nice smoky pepper flavor without being overpowering. I try not to use any spicy peppers in this blend because I don't want my food to be extra spicy for the kids. They don't really like that. But I also make a spicy blend to use in things like chili and that kind of thing. So that is my favorite way to preserve a pepper. You can also can it. You can do a lot of different things with peppers. You can leave them in the freezer, use them however you need. But I have found that smoking and drying them makes a really yummy addition to any of my dishes in the wintertime. All of these vines go to the sweet potato that's tucked in here.
Whoa.
Well, first, let's cut away and pull away the vine.
Wouldn't let me take it out.
We will be feeding the vines.
Who's shaking it? Mom, I found something right here.
Sweet potato.
Yeah, but it ain't coming out.
Well, we gotta dig it.
Dig it out. It's like it's another part of something. We need holy. Wow.
Put that in the basket for me.
It's a pumpkin looking one.
I think these are just roots.
Yeah, those are just roots.
Or they're
Probably for groundhogs.
groundhogs. Look at that one, it's all split.
It's a split one.
It's huge. We don't have a lot, but they're very large. Keep digging. Oh, oh, that one's fun. Bunch of little guys. Oh. So this is our harvest from today. We have a pile of peppers. These are all snacking peppers, bell peppers, Notapéno peppers. We have okra here, a variety of the green and the red. We have our cucamelons and a few tomatoes that have made their way in there, and then all of our sweet potatoes that we dug. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.